Hi, boys and girls, and welcome to Learning with Miss Nancy. And before we begin our lesson today, I'd like to know, have you had your water? I have a new bottle of water, so I need to finish it throughout the day. So if you haven't had your water, get your water so we can sip together. Are you ready? Let's sip together. Let's take another sip together. And remember to drink water each and every day because it builds strong muscles and it keeps you healthy. So today, boys and girls, I'm going to talk about a very interesting concept, and that is choosing peace over being right. Let me say that again. Choosing peace over being right. And there are times when you are 100% correct. Your answers are right. Your behavior is right. But sometimes you may have to choose peace, even though you're right. And what is peace? Peace is being calm, being kind, being nice, being considerate, being happy, working together with others, having patience, putting others before yourself, keeping an atmosphere of love. That's what peace is. And you know when you're right about something, most of the time you want to let people know that you're right 100%. And you may even get into an argument because you're right. But sometimes it's better to choose peace over being right. For example, you might be in preschool and it's art time. And so the teacher says, let's go to the art table and take out your crayons. And you start coloring. And a child might say, hey, that's my red crayon. And you're coloring with it. And instead of you saying, no, I had it first. It's my crayon. And you're right. It could be your crayon and you had it first. But instead of arguing, you might say, here, take the crayon and I'll use it when you're done. Even though you're right. You had it first, maybe your crayon, but you give it to the other person because you want to maintain peace and calm. You're right. You're right, it's your crayon. You're right, you had it first. But you may just want to keep peace. So you relinquish the crayon and say, hey, I'll wait until you're finished. That's choosing peace over being right. Or you may be in preschool and you're working on a puzzle and you're putting the puzzle pieces in and you'll see one child say, that puzzle piece doesn't go there, this fits. And you might say, that's not right, my puzzle piece fits. But instead of being right, you might say, well, let's try both puzzle pieces to see which puzzle piece fits. That's using peace instead of being right. You understand? You're just creating an atmosphere of calm. Here's another example. You could be the first one in line, and then up comes the bully who jumps in front of you. And you could push him out the way and say, get out of here. I'm first. You don't jump in front of me. Who do you think you are? And you shake your head, put your hands on your hips. I'm first. Get out of here. And you could be right because you were first. But using peace, you might just raise your hand and say to the teacher, teacher, this student jumped in front of me and I was first. And then the teacher will handle the situation. That's using peace. Even though you're right, you use peace. You calmly let the teacher know that a bully is trying to take over and you're not having it. So there are times that you have to learn to use peace, because when you use peace, it eliminates the fighting, it eliminates the yelling, it eliminates all of the chaos and confusion. Because you look on television and look at Facebook, there are a lot of big adults who don't use peace. You see them fighting. You see them yelling and screaming and acting like they don't have any good sense. And you don't want to grow up like that. You want to use peace. You want to use peace, even if you're right. Use peace. Let's look at a video and watch children using peace as they share, as they show unity, as they show love, as they take turns. They use peace over being right. So boys and girls, I'm going to teach you a very simple chant that I created to help you to remember to choose peace over being right. It's very simple. And at the end, I hold up a peace sign. When you hold up two fingers like this, it just means peace, y'all. Okay? So you clap your, you tap your thigh and clap. Choose peace over being right. Choose peace over being right. Keep your thoughts to yourself if they will offend someone else. Shut your mouth. Hold your tongue if your words will hurt someone. Choose peace over being right. Choose peace over being right. If you're in an argument, be the first to end it quick. Respect yourself and others too. Walk away from those who bother you. Choose peace over being right. Choose peace over being right. Peace. Bye for now. Hi, friends. Don't forget to subscribe to Learning with Miss Nancy. Thank you.